Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Motorindia and Aftermarket and Service. We have with us Ms. Bency K Baby. She is the Automotive Practice Manager of NeST Digital STC. Bency, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me
Thank you
here.
for your time. We just wanted to ask what are the areas where SFO Technologies supports automotive industry, particularly in the commercial vehicle and passenger cars.
Okay. So SFO Technologies, we are having 3 decades of industrial experience. The SFO Technologies, under that we will do end-to-end, for a component or for an automotive component. We do electronic design, we do manufacturing, and we do embedded software development. So, for example, if you get a vehicle control unit, if we have some kind of a requirement like a vehicle control unit, so if the customer, tier 1 or OEM, they have, if only they have an idea. So what we will, if they come up with that, R&D department, they will design the electronics design, and then they will do whatever the PCB design, how it will be, and we have a plastics, they will do molding.
Okay.
So the manufacturing, the prototype once ready, we will give to the customer. So if they are happy with the feasibility, everything, so we'll do the mass production. So
Okay.
we do have a hardware, software, and the electronics design
As a package.
as a overall.
Overall.
So what we can the differentiator for SFO Technologies, we do have end to end from
Okay.
hardware, software, and so I belongs to the software arm of SFO Technology, that is NeST Digital.
Okay.
So we have a different development center across. So I belongs to the Trivandrum, that we particularly focusing on smart technology center. So we call STC.
Okay.
So we are
Okay.
under the leadership of Sabu Shamsuddin.
Okay.
So we do have different. What we focus on smart technologies, mostly we are having AI and cybersecurity.
Okay.
And whatever is the cutting edge technologies.
Okay.
So we do have we are serving for different industries. So majorly for logistics, automotive,
Okay.
industrial automation, and then come with healthcare. So
From the
that's-
perspective of logistics, what value addition your company?
For the logistics, mostly it comes with the commercial vehicle
yeah.
and the trucks. So what we are doing is for the fleet monitoring systems.
Okay.
So how they can operate their operation efficiency they can do, and they can monitor how, this different drivers are doing. Okay. So how we can make the fuel efficiency,
Okay.
driving efficiency, all
Okay.
these things we can make it in that logistics perspective.
Logistics perspective.
Yeah.
Okay. I think what I learned from the company is that you have vehicle intelligence solution.
Yes.
So how effectively it supports the vehicle, especially commercial vehicles,
Okay.
to optimize the performance.
Yeah. So vehicle intelligence is now everywhere AI. Okay, so AI inside the car. So what I just read about one thing is the vehicle is not following the road. Okay, they understand the road and they do it. So what is intelligence is they sense, they learn, they think, and they act.
Okay.
So the decision making power is also with that
Okay.
AI without manual things. Vehicle we usually tell about how much is the horsepower. Now in future it will come like how much is brain power.
Okay.
So that's a vehicle intelligence. So we do have solutions for ADAS, that is adaptive driver assistance system. Another is ARAS, that is for two-wheelers.
Two-wheelers, okay.
ADAS, rider
Assist system.
assistance system. Yeah. So we do have that kind of a vehicle intelligence solutions. In Europe, ADAS level 2 now it's mandatory.
Yeah.
Because otherwise they cannot do it. Some
Correct.
emergency braking happens, someone will
Correct.
collide with us. So vehicle intelligence is there, and what we are now doing for is BMS.
Okay.
That
Battery
is
management.
EV vehicle, that battery management system. We can do predictive maintenance.
Okay.
How will be the cell voltage imbalance, or how will be your charging and discharging patterns, temperature. So we can predict, okay, one of your cell is
Okay.
degrading, or we can give some kind of a suggestions to the driver, like it is
Yeah,
dropping 5% in next 3 months.
Okay.
So you can do these kind of a tips they will give us to the
Also,
driver.
I saw at your booth one of the slides showed that there are a vehicle is able to understand the potholes and then probably maneuver. Can you talk a little
Yes,
bit about
definitely. Yeah. So we do have a solution for that. In Indian road, you know, a lot of potholes are there. So what we are doing, our solution is doing is they sense the pothole. Okay, they understand the pothole. They will give the alert to the driver. Not only that, in the night time, sometimes we don't have the vision. So if it's a high beam, it will automatically change to the low beam so that a pothole is there, that site will be there. And moreover, we are giving signal to the suspension module to activate dynamic suspension.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the things we are doing.
But
We
what
already
happens
have
when the road is flooded? What happens? Because the camera cannot reach.
road is
When the road is flooded.
flooded. Yeah, that's some kind of edge cases are there. Yeah,
Okay.
if it's a flooded, we
No,
cannot
but
do anything.
Would you be using LiDAR support
We
for
are using camera
camera? Okay.
sensing technology, and with some kind of an algorithm to read about
Okay.
from pixel to that distance.
Okay. And also you have no factory intelligence, I think,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So what is it? It's
Yeah.
manufacturing.
Yes. You know, all we have manufacturing and factory intelligence is nothing but the factory. They are doing lot of manual processes. We went to the that.
Okay.
So what we have done is one solution is our IQ, that is quality inspection. So sometimes maybe the car door when they are dipping in the paint, they don't know everything evenly they have painted.
Okay.
Sometimes thickness will be more somewhere there, somewhere it won't be there. So what this quality inspection do is they will automatically detect where this surface it doesn't
Okay.
have that paint. Or it can be applicable for everywhere.
Okay,
Correct.
proper.
So
Okay.
so that will focus, and it will help us. For example, if similar pattern is happening in one part, we can train the welders,
Okay.
or what happened there. We can understand that root cause. We have to find it out. Yeah. So early detection of this.
Would it also help in automating the process?
Yes, we do have one is a digital tin. Okay, so for the warehouse or the assembly line happening, we couldn't do sometimes the manually some edge cases or some use cases we cannot do manually test it. So the digital tin is a replica of the warehouse where sometimes the temperature variance is more high, we have to test it. So sometimes the storage, how to check it. So different kind of a use case we have done a solution with the digital tin.
Okay,
So that is also we can use in the logistics or the supply chains part, commercial vehicle everywhere. Yeah, that's the factory things we do have.
Good, interesting. There is also, I think, future intelligence. What is it?
Future intelligence means what we can tell is ADAS means autonomous vehicle is there.
Yeah.
So the pothole anyway it is. I mean that
Yeah.
is not the ADAS level. That is too early. But if we're coming to the autonomous vehicle, so the car, what we will do is maybe in 2035 or somewhere, what we will commute to the car, self-driving car. We will go to the office, and what will happen is there is a tire sensor is getting wear out.
Okay.
It automatically book the slot in the service center.
Okay.
Okay. So then when we come up, so that kind of battery, how it will looking, if it is required to replace, get that supply to the battery management or battery suppliers. So that kind of an intelligent assistant with us.
This will probably help the fleet operators because they can optimize their time and then prepare the vehicle for maintenance, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it will help in the fleet vehicles.
So it will also avoid some surprises, suddenly some breakdown.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. That they can predict it. Yes.
What are the other services that your company provide?
Particularly for this aftermarket things is we have over the air updates. So mostly that is happening in the after the market, right? So we will give the features as an over the air updates, and we do have you told the manufacturing. So if anything, for example, some vehicle doesn't have telematics unit, so we do have a telematics unit readily just for making the.
So that means you are upgrading the older vehicles to match the new.
Match the new vehicle. Maybe we can connect to the Android and we can mirror it to the same of Android versions in the new.
Where is the manufacturing unit here?
It is in Kochi, Kalamassery, and.
Okay. That's okay. Nice, Bency. Thank you so much for
Thanks
sparing
a
your time.
lot.
Thank you. Bye.